It's rolling.
Oof.
It's light car. Okay, it's me and Michelle. Wait, can you see you?
I think so.
I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
Okay,
We're walking Michelle home from the rec center.
So,
Babu. Because.
but I don't want to be like some little faggot who falls down the well. Like, really, who falls down a well?
Okay,
I thought that
we're
was
walking Michelle home. It's 7:49.
48 on my clock.
Fuck you. Do you hear that? To her dad's house. And Todd let me. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Teety.
Whoa. Whoa.
Red light, green light, who gives a fuck? Yellow light, purple light. So are the ones I fuck.
You fuck colors?
Baby.
Oh my god. What?
What? Oh, it doesn't say
We
what.
can go.
Wait, no. Okay, go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is it wait. Oh, my finger was in the way. Oh, we just obeyed. Oh, who is that? I'm sorry, sir.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay,
we just had to run. We ran that. Look at it. That's the spot we ran.